In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram account private. That is quite simple and easy to do. So, let's begin and first open up Instagram app. And then right here at the bottom right hand corner, tap at profile picture to open up your profile. And then first, you need to switch your account to personal account. If you got a creator or business account, if your account is already personal, you can easily skip that step. In order to change accounts, type stop here at menu icon. Then tap on settings, then account. And here you can tap on switch account tab. And there you can tap on switch account. Type and here select switch to personal account. And then hit on switch to personal account again. And now it says that account switched to personal. And right now you can tap at menu icon. Then hit on settings and then here select privacy. And now in order to make your Instagram account private, you can just enable this feature private account. Just hit add that switcher to toggle it off. And then tap on switch to private. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.